morning. My name is Elizabeth Ulrich, and I'm the owner of the Elizabeth Ulrich Realty Group, powered by Keller Williams Realty. 1 year ago, I hired my first VAP, and this has been the most influential year in my business, and my numbers have doubled. Without the help of Clint, my VAP, who has worked to clean up my database, help me to reach out to them, whether it would be through smart plans, emails, texting, also all of the Facebook leads and all of the additional marketing, I wouldn't have my business where it is today. Not only has it been a wonderful business year, but a wonderful friendship has developed, and I'm truly grateful for Clint and for VAP.
Hey everyone, I'm Abner Dangan, the marketing manager for Angela Dillman. I've been working with her for 6 months now, and Angela has been very supportive and patient with me throughout. She has been a great mentor, imparting her leadership, skills, and mindset, maybe business or life in general. I really can't thank her enough for giving me a chance to be a partner in their business, for sharing her knowledge, and for investing in me.